How to use YouTube to learn English. I think that 10-minute videos from native speakers are a great way to learn English. You can find a lot of these on YouTube, but if you're in China and you can't open up YouTube, I know there's also a lot on websites like Bilibili. If you can understand what I'm saying, I think you're ready to try. So, what are some easy topics to start with? Number 1 is lifestyle or daily life. So you watch someone while they do their daily routine, what they do every day. That's pretty easy. Number 2 is how-to videos. So someone will show you how to do something as they do it. For example, cooking videos. In a cooking video, the person will say, chop the onion as they chop the onion, so it's easier to understand. Number 3 is a topic that you're already very familiar with. If you know the topic very well, it'll be easier to understand it in English. So, the most important thing is that it's okay if you don't understand everything. You'll understand more as you practice more. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.